A lot of Americans don't realize that if you take all the distribution companies together, they account for 1/3 of the American economy.
Largest industry in the United States.
Absolutely. And so we need more innovation for this industry. We need more capital coming into this industry. And so what I'm hoping is that this event is really an important step on that journey, really to putting distribution on the map.
The innovation itself ties back to the thing that we know is never going to change, which is that customers want higher convenience, they want lower prices, they want broader selection. Those are the things that will never change about distribution. And all of those things can be achieved through better technology. And so a distributor who really embraces technology to enhance customer value before customers are really rallying for it has a much better chance of winning market share rather than being on a back foot and trying to defend market share.
The fact that I'm able to share real examples of peers that have taken that leap of engaging into a platform strategy of marketplace. My job is becoming easier by the day when I'm just able to talk about UNFI in food, Parts Down in parts, Airbus in aerospace, etc., etc.
We're here for business, but also to achieve the missions of digitizing the future of B2B payments, and we feel like we're doing that with a really receptive and engaged group of folks.
We're betting on distributors to be the winners in the long run. We think that if we can build the right technology to enable distributors, we can help be a part of that over the next 10 or 20 years as this plays out.
The hardest thing with distribution is behavior change. I know we're a technology company, but I often say first and foremost we're a behavior change company. So the opportunity to work within pathways that are already exist at the distributor and add value is something we lean into.
Some are undigitized, others are partially digitized, and some have decided to lean all the way in. Our job is to help you figure out, how do you eventually get to that lean in moment for your digital transformation. So
everyone understands that this is going online. And when I say this, I mean industrial products. It's going online. The genie is already out of the bottle. And so the question is, what does that look like?
I saw it in their eyes that they get it. Was exciting not only because it's a business opportunity for them to grow, but it's also says something about the future of how things will look like. And this is exciting for our economy.
Just being able to bring tech and titans of this industry together in the same place is a remarkable opportunity.
It's not often that we get to get a curated audience, all kind of struggling to solve similar problems. As an entrepreneur and the founder of a company, it's really, really special to be able to make that meaningful connection and really get to understand their needs much closer.